Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add services on Fresha. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Fresha business application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Fresha if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add services on Fresha. But firstly, what we have in front of us here. As you can see in the bottom, we have 5 tabs. We have the calendar, sales, we have the add appointments, group appointments, block time, sale, quick payment. We have client list, and in the bottom right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add services on Fresha. So first of all, go to the bottom right corner and click on here. Then go to catalog, and here you have the services menu. Here, as you can see, you have what you can go and put in as your services and everything. If you want to add a new service, you can of course go and click on add, and here you can go and put in single service package or category. Click on single, for instance. Here you can go and add the service name, service type, menu category, description, pricing, price type, everything, extra time. You have advanced options also here to go and put in, and then you just need to go and click on save, and it will of course be saved, and you'll have your new service. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.